Welcome to Filmoments tutorials. In this video I will show you how to play Wordle2 with 6 letters word. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. First, open your browser and type in the URL box wordle2.in. You have to guess the word in 6 tries. Close this window and start playing. Let me try my first word. That letter in green color means it is correct and in the right position. The yellow letter is a correct letter, but in a wrong position. Continue guessing till you get the correct word. After you guess the word, a statistics will appear. Click the share button to share the result to Facebook. Then click copy text. Go to Facebook and create a new post. Long press on the empty space and click paste. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.